man. Shout outs to Katy Perry. You know, I had to fucking go hard as hell when I heard this shit, so. What's up? Yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. I'm bringing back Speaker Kid, dude. What up? 2014. Ow! Yo, my shit go harder than your cousin. I'm living life like I'm fucking eating a muffin. That shit tastes good. I'm made of wood. You're made of tin. Let the rhymes begin. Yo, killing this shit each day and night. My shit's so cool, my shit's so tight. I'm living this life, I ain't got no regrets. I'm the fucking man, your shit's a vet. Veteran, moving down south. I am the man, your shit's a clout. Ooh, ooh, I'm using my steam. Let me get back to what I fucking mean. Pussy all day and I don't give a fuck. I'm the man, your shit's a shark. What do I say? Where do I go? Life is moving in slow-mo. Oh, oh, I don't got time. Popping mollies and popping rhymes. Oh, shit, let me begin. I'm the fucking man, let me spin my track. Yo, shit is whack. Let me spin my rhymes, yo. I don't give a fuck which time is, cause I ain't got much time, bro. Killing shit day and night. Moving this point, moving through spray. Drinking the shit, killing the shit. What do I say? Let me begin. Yo, each and every day is a struggle. If your life is your friend, your life is a huddle. What do you think about that? I don't really care. The rhymes in the air. The Chief Keef, oh my god. I'm on the kush, and I can't really think. And I'm brainiac, and I'm a maniac. And I'm a maniac, like that 90s cartoon. Man, you kids don't know what that shit is, but if you did, you'd think it's cool. Ooh, ooh, I'm so crazy. This beat is making me lazy. I'm feeling so slow. Somebody give me something to do with you. Cause life ain't always true. And if you wanna know what to do with it, you better figure it, chop and screw it. Oh my god, this shit's a mirage. Oh my god, it's sabotage. Oh my god, it's a mirage. Look at these kids, they're sabotage. Oh my god, it's a mirage. Look at these kids, it's a sabotage. Oh no. Oh my god. Beat so sick, I think I threw up on it. But beat so sick, I think I threw up on it. Oh no. But beat so sick, I think I threw up on it. The beat so sick, I think I'm gonna spew. Ooh. What did you do in 92? Oh, you weren't alive? That's cute. I don't really get what that means. I'm moving so fast, I'm not a jet stream. Ooh, I'm crazy. No, I'm kinda lazy. Everybody thinks I ain't got no direction, but if you thought about it, you would think that I'm a correctional officer, like Rick Ross. Now I'm gonna be a rap star. I've soaked up everything there is to understand about this life, and it's tight, and it's time to unwind and take over. I'm the Lord, y'all, I'm royalty. Ooh, the 99% is gonna take over the world. Now we got health insurance, what you gonna do, rich people? We are coming for you. You better break down the walls, bitch. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. We come for you, oh shit. Katy Perry, you're the shit. Listen to this beat, it's sick. Ooh, ooh, it's a mirage. What do I do? It's a sabotage. Oh my god, it's a mirage. Look at these kids, it's sabotage.